Hi there, welcome. My name is Jason, and the plant that I have to share with you right now is called Bulbine frutescens. This is also known as the snake flower, the cat's tail, stalked bulbine, or the burn jelly plant. This plant originates from South Africa and is an awesome plant in the landscape. This plant is a very heavy bloomer. It blooms spring through summer, and some say that this even blooms sporadically throughout the entire year. There's these beautiful yellow flowers. I don't know if you can see that. They're more like flower buds because it has been blooming. But yeah, it puts these flowers out. The plant itself grows from about 1 to 2 feet tall and 1 to 2 feet wide, and it spreads by rhizomes. As far as the lighting location, you want full sun to part sun for this plant. As far as the watering goes, this is a drought-tolerant xeric plant that lends itself wonderfully to the rock garden or xeric garden, or maybe that's just part of your garden that you don't want to water as much or don't have as much time for. This is a very tough plant. As far as fertilization goes, I'd use a cactus succulent fertilizer once a month, spring through summer, and that's about it. And then as far as the soil type, I would plant this in loam or sand or a combination thereof. I have heard that you can plant this in clay. Just be very careful with clay. You know, if you use clay soil with succulent-like plants like this one, I would make sure to amend the soil and then also do the planting on like an incline or a slope. So that always helps because it helps move the water away so that it doesn't just like sit forever on the roots of the plant. As far as what this attracts, this plant attracts hummingbirds, bees, butterflies. It's a pretty awesome wildlife plant. I love this plant. There's medicinal qualities about this plant. It's been used, the sap in the leaves has glycoproteins, which are similar to the glycoproteins found in aloe vera gel. So the sap is used in a similar way. It's used to soothe and treat minor cuts, scrapes, rashes. You can use the sap gel, just like rub it on there, and it helps soothe that area. As the sap dries, it also creates a flexible barrier, sort of like a sticky band-aid that helps reduce the chances of further infection and also retains a level of moisture. So pretty awesome plant. And then it blooms all the time. So I mean, I love this plant. I think it's pretty cool. As far as division or propagating your plant, you want to divide it in the spring if you're going to divide the plant and propagate it. But yeah, I think that's about it when it comes to this plant. If there's any questions that you have about Bulbine frutescens, please let me know in the comments below. And once again, my name is Jason. Thanks so much for hanging out.